I'm Dr. Lent, and welcome to Classroom Assessment. I hope that you had a wonderful break, and if you are watching this video, I hope that it means that you have gone through the Read Me First section of the course. If not, that's definitely the first thing to do. So if you will click on that, you'll see the faculty welcome. It's where I introduce myself and give you my contact information. So it's something that you can refer to throughout the semester if you have any questions for me or need to find me face-to-face. That gives you that information. And then this is hopefully where you found the orientation video. I'm sorry, here's my contact information. This just kind of explains what the course is about. And then also in here I talk about how often I will log on. I'll get on every Monday to Friday by noon. I teach a face-to-face class from 9:30 to 11 on some days, so sometimes I'll log on before that, sometimes I'll log on after that, but definitely by noon I'll log on to answer questions either through email or through the class questions tab, which I'll show you in a moment. So just realize that, and then also I'll log on once over the weekend, so either on Saturday or on Sunday I'll log on to check. So anyway, just be sure that you realize that. And then this explains how to be successful in the course. This section talks about the importance of turning in your own work and turning in work that is good. And then this is where you find the syllabus. So there's actually 2 syllabi for the class because some of you are in one section, which is the teacher education section. Some of you are in the other section, which is for non-education majors. And really the only difference in the 2 syllabi is that the course description is a little bit different. But all in all, the course is structured the same. So if you go to this, I'm not going to read the entire syllabus, but it does have some important information, and you do need to read the entire syllabus because you'll need it to be able to pass the quiz. But again, this gives my information. This is my email address, so rather than emailing me at the MSU email, I prefer that class questions come through the D2L email. That helps me to just kind of keep up with everything that's due for the class. Just be sure to let me know what class you're in because I have 4 different classes. So this is the textbook that you'll need for the class. Be sure that you get that as soon as possible. And here's my office hours. If you ever need to schedule a virtual meeting or come by here, you can also contact me, via email, and we can set up a time outside of these hours if that's more convenient for you. And then, again, class questions are going to go in that tab, which I'll explain to you. And then this is important information about the different assignments and activities we'll have throughout the semester and how they're weighted. And then these are descriptions about all of the different things that we'll be doing this semester. So be sure to read through these things and the rest of the syllabus. And then the other thing that you will need is this course schedule. So the course schedule just outlines what is due when. This is an important document, so be sure that you download it to your desktop or laptop or print it out or put the dates in your calendar. That way you can keep up with what's due when. So the things that are bolded are things that you will actually submit in D2L. So they're graded assignments. The non-bolded things are just things to do. So obviously you have to read chapter 2 to be able to complete the discussion, etc. So these are the different things that are due, that are bolded, and then the dates that they're due over here. And then you notice some things have asterisks, and that means that it's not due on a Sunday like most assignments. Most of the time I have everything due Sundays, but if we do a review or we do a discussion, those due dates are going to be different. So anyway, that's another important document. And then the final thing in here is for you to complete this orientation quiz. So all of the information you need for the quiz is here in the Read Me First section in this orientation video. And so once you make 100% on the quiz, then it'll open up the other content for the course and you can begin your week 1 assignments. So if you have questions, the best thing to do is to post here in the discussion board, unless it's like a private question about your grades or something specific to you. But if you're having trouble accessing something, or a link's not working, or you can't find the rubric, then I want you to post it here in the class questions so that I don't get 20 emails that are exactly the same. If it's something I need to address or go in and correct, this is the best place to post it. So if you have questions, just post it there. So I look forward to having everyone start the course, and just let me know if there's anything that I can do to help. Thank you.